Good times. I'm glad we've had this little to the downside. This is good. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Bears took control. Bears swiped down on this market to 9,700. Good times. I'm glad we've had this little to the downside. This is good. This is good. We see movement, and I hope you saw that it was heavy and you took profit as well. That's the beauty of learning how to trade, learning TA, and sorting out your strategy to take advantage of it. Let's start with that Bitcoin provoking thought too. Bitcoin's supply is transparent and the demand is apparent. That's why Bitcoin, guys. Think about it. Look, you can't fuck with the blockchain. All right, that's what also the technology gives this value. Speaking of value, let's go through Bitcoin, that gold 2.0 recap. Bitcoin dominance currently sitting at 69.3% as always until the other cryptos, those altcoins, those shit coins come up and compete with Bitcoin dominance. I'm not going to talk about it at all. Days until Bitcoin halving, we have 262. Mining capacity, we're currently at 85.25%. That means 17,900,000 have been mined out of that possible 21 million capacity. That's leaving over 3 million to be mined. Current price, hard right edge of the screen, we're holding at 9709 right now USD, and that's a daily change of 4.31%. This would be disastrous in terms of traditional markets, but this one, however, this is a little bit normal. It's the ebbs and flows of that market. Get used to it, guys, and learn to respect it even more. Market cap, we're at $173 billion. And how has that worked out? Well, that's obviously the price, hard right edge of the screen, times by the amount of Bitcoin that's currently being mined. World population, over 7.7 billion. I like to put this to divide the population by the market cap to show you that Bitcoin could be for everyone, and if it was for everyone, how much would people be holding in their pocket? Well, 22.47 USD. I do this example because we all know, just like gold, there's only so much in the ground, and when it's all being dug up and that precious metal is above ground, supply and demand comes into play, and what will it be worth? And also, will everyone be holding it? No, they won't, but so they should. Holding a little, especially during a recession. Maybe there's one pending. So therefore we go Bitcoin for everyone, because the blockchain crypto really does reduce borders around the world. So it is a fair currency. Let me say that again. So Bitcoin is a fair currency. Now, let's dive into these daily charts and see this downward turn. All right, we've got the daily chart here. Each daily candlestick is printed in a 24-hour period, as we can see here. Let me draw a trend line here of what I'm seeing in the charts right now. A bit of downward pressure. I'm going to go here because I'm also going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to go here. Have we created a channel to the downside? Let's see. But will this market respect these levels? Now, we do have another support line. I'm going to do a little bit thicker here. Let's go green. Support line. We have a support line here at about 9395. Let's think about over top here, this previous high that we've had to go up. Also, that kind of respected it here with the start of that 1-2 double bottom touch. Will we make a third down here? Let's see, but we do have a bit of a support zone right here. What does this mean for price? Well, currently we might see more pressure to the downside, or we might trickle up, down in this respect for the rest of the day. If we do break this, I'll be looking for a triple bottom down here, 1, 2, and a 3 down here. So price comes down and reflects this. Let's not forget we're in this channel here, and see if price does this. Now, 10K is that magnetic zone. However, we've had a lot of pressure and a bit of consolidation, as in a pressure as we're not going anywhere. Where were we going to pop? But we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a 7th day where we pounded down to the bottom. So right now, I think we're going to stay around this area, this zone between 9,800, and we're going to see the support zone to 9,500. We will see if we break, and there's a few buy orders pending, all right, on the order books. So that might added some pressure just like yesterday. So we might see some downward pressure there as well. Overall, guys, this is okay. This is okay. This is actually good market dynamics, and we were expecting this, were we not? Okay. You have a great Thursday, and I'll see you very, very soon. Catch you guys. Bye. Moon Lambo, baby.